Beautiful curly haircut idea. I just love her texture. And then we see someone with long hair. She dances her way to something shorter with this gorgeous pixie style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have an undercut style featuring some braided looks on the top. Beautiful French braid going all the way around. I love the dimension on the coloring of this undercut. Very cute style idea. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like the stylist might be doing a mullet haircut for this next one. Oh, yes. I love it. I am in love with the mullet hair trend. I just think that it is such a fun style to try out this season. So next up, it looks like we have a bob haircut style. Bit of a mini bob with this particular hair change, which is another hot hair idea that we are seeing this 2023 season. So we have a pixie hairstyle for the next hair change. Oh, wow, this is gorgeous. Stylist is mixing in some bangs going in the front. Nice layered texture. Beautiful. Absolutely adore this Pixie style. And the way that this looks with her earrings is just so chic and fabulous. So here we have someone with some long mid-back length hair. This is one of my favorite stylists for doing bobs. So he is going to be doing a bob haircut for this one. The stylist does a gorgeous blunt bob style. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. Beautifully done. And then we see that same stylist, so this particular client has long waist length hair. Looks like she wants to try out the layered haircut trend. More of a mid-length haircut. Now this is another very popular hairstyle that we are seeing this year. Oh, flawless, flawless, flawless. And she did go darker with the coloring and cut most of that blonde hair off. There's just a tad bit going there towards the ends. Very nice transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.